Okay, Miss Lilac. So, first exercise natin for the day 1. O, 2 days lang naman siya. So, day 1, first working set, wall sit tayo. So, upo tayo sa wall, okay, against the wall, knees at 90 degrees. Alright? So, yung lower back, yung middle, tsaka yung upper back, nakadikit sa wall, pressing against the wall. Maganda kung nakapaa din tapos walang mat. Para mas maganda yung grip ng paa natin sa floor. So, profile, magiging ganito siya. Parang kang nakaupo pero against the wall. So, working your leg muscles, yung quads, hamstrings, and glutes. So, hold that position for 30 seconds. Right? After ng 30 seconds ng wall sit natin, hinga lang tayong mabilis. And then, ano tayo? Alternating lunges with squats. So, hawak, cross dito, or pwede sa waist. So, reverse lunge. 1, 1, then squats. Okay, pakita natin. Profile. Option ng kamay natin, pwede sa waist, pwede sa shoulders, pwede rin dito. Alright? So, that's 1 half, 1 half, and 1 whole. So, ganun yung counting natin. Dalawang lunges, isang squats. Again, lunge, reverse, reverse, 1, switch, and 2. Okay? So, feet shoulder width or wider than shoulders. Reverse lunge, reverse, and squat down. Again, that's 1 count. Down, and squat down. Okay, so 10 repetitions lang. Okay, so right after ng squats natin, letter C tayo or number 3. So, kneeling push-ups, triceps push-ups. Yung kamay natin gusto natin situated. Lower ribs yung target. And then close sa katawan. Tapos nakaluhod. Okay, lower ribs. So here, inhale down. Exhale up. So hindi kailangan bababa ng todo. Elbows at 90 degrees lang. Alright? So inhale. Exhale up. Alright? Bend yung elbow malapit sa katawan. Exhale up. So check, hindi bumababa yung upper body ko hanggang sa floor. Hindi rito, ha? Dito lang po. Elbows at 90. Push all the way up. So, inhale. Tapos, push. Pag push, squeeze yung triceps. And then yung abdominals. So, working your triceps, chest, and shoulders. Okay pa. So, for that, meron tayong 10 repetitions din. Okay po, Miss Lilac. Sana okay na okay pa. Fourth exercise, malapit na matapos. Kailangan natin ng towel around 1 foot or 1 to 2 feet. Ganyan yung kailangan natin. And then, nakadapa tayo tapos pull towards your lower ribs. So, all the way up, extend. Tapos, bababa dito. Nang hindi nagsasag yung towel natin. Pwede ring rope or kung ano yung available. Na meron tayo. Shirt, pwede rin. Damit. Okay, so, dapa tayo. Extend yung kamay all the way out. Sa legs pala walang mangyayari. Steady lang yung legs natin. So, all the way out yung kamay, fully extended. Tapos, pull yung towel papunta sa lower ribs. And then for this one, hindi nakababa yung kamay. Elevated lang siya off the floor. Pull, tataas yung upper back. Ay yung chest natin off floor. So, inhale, exhale, pull. Inhale, exhale, pull. Okay po. So, working your shoulders, biceps, and lower back. Kasama na rin yung rhomboid. Okay, so again. So, inhale, open, hindi nakadikit sa floor. Kamay. Pull, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Make sure hindi magsasag masyado yung yung towel. So, pull, open, then pull. Okay? Again, for this one, 10 repetitions lang. So, last working set natin, Miss Lilac, jumping jacks tayo. For 30 repetitions. So, ito yung mag-round up ng A, B, C, D, E natin. Letter E na siya. So, fifth exercise. So, again, from here, hands dito sa side, feet hip width apart, up close, open. Okay po. Full movement yung kamay. Then, 30 repetitions. After 5 exercise na yon, Hindi kasama yung plank nung una. Ano siya, 1 set. Okay? So, minimum sana natin at least 2 working set for day 1. Okay po?